Have you ever wondered how people thousands of years ago managed their health without modern medicine? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Ayurveda, a traditional health system that has its roots deep in the ancient Indian culture. Ayurveda, a Sanskrit word that translates to the science of life, is far more than just a system of treating illness. It's a holistic approach to health and wellness, focusing on maintaining a balance between the body, mind, and spirit. It's an art of daily living that has evolved organically over time. Even as we've seen advancements in modern medicine, Ayurveda continues to hold its own, offering a unique perspective on health, disease, and wellness. It's a system that respects our individual differences while celebrating our deep connections to the natural world and to each other. So, with its roots in ancient wisdom, why do we still talk about Ayurveda today? Let's explore this together, as we unravel the principles and practices of Ayurveda in our upcoming scenes. At the heart of Ayurveda are a few key principles that guide its understanding of health and wellness. To begin with, Ayurveda recognizes three vital energies, or doshas, that circulate in the body and govern physiological activity. These doshas, named Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, each have distinct characteristics and functions. Vata, often likened to the wind, is light, cool, and dry. It governs movement in the body, including the flow of breath, the pulsation of the heart, and the mobility of the mind. Pitta, on the other hand, is warm, sharp, and penetrating. Like fire, it governs digestion and metabolism, transforming food into energy. Lastly, Kapha is heavy, slow, and steady. It's like the earth and water, providing structure and stability to our bodies. Each of us possesses all three doshas, but in different proportions. This unique blend, our prakriti, determines our physical, mental, and emotional nature. Moving on, Ayurveda places a significant emphasis on Agni, the digestive fire. It is believed that a strong Agni allows us to digest our food efficiently, absorbing the nutrients we need while discarding waste. When Agni functions well, it maintains a balanced state of doshas. However, if Agni is weak, it can lead to the creation of ama, or toxins. Ama is considered the root cause of disease in Ayurveda. It's the waste product of incomplete digestion, sticky and heavy in nature, clogging the channels of the body. Therefore, Ayurveda puts a high priority on digestive health and recommends practices to enhance Agni and reduce ama. To sum up, Ayurveda views health as a delicate balance between the body, mind, and spirit. It emphasizes prevention and encourages the maintenance of health through close attention to balance in one's life, right thinking, diet, lifestyle, and the use of herbs. Understanding these principles is the first step in appreciating how Ayurveda approaches health and wellness. Now that we understand the principles, what does Ayurveda look like in practice? Well, Ayurvedic practices are as diverse as the individuals who follow them, tailored to suit each person's unique constitution, or dosha balance. These practices span a broad spectrum from diet and exercise to meditation and herbal remedies. Let's start with diet. In Ayurveda, what you eat is not just about nourishing your body, but also balancing your doshas. So, an Ayurvedic diet isn't a standard list of do's and don'ts. Instead, it's a personalized eating plan. If you're a fiery Pitta, for instance, you might be advised to eat cooling foods like cucumbers and melons. If you're a grounded Kapha, on the other hand, you might be directed towards lighter, drier foods. Next, we move to yoga, an integral part of Ayurveda. Yoga doesn't just work on the body, but also on the mind and spirit. The type of yoga you practice, the postures you adopt, and even the time of day you do it, all depend on your dosha balance. Meditation, too, holds a significant place in Ayurvedic practices. It's a powerful tool to calm the mind, enhance clarity, and promote self-awareness. The type of meditation that works best for you can depend on your dominant dosha. A Vata individual, for example, might benefit from a guided meditation, while a Pitta person might find silent meditation more effective. And then we have herbal remedies. Ayurveda has a rich pharmacopoeia of herbs and natural substances used for healing. These aren't just random concoctions, but carefully chosen combinations, based on an individual's dosha balance. Finally, it's essential to note that Ayurveda is not just about treating disease, but about promoting overall well-being. It's a holistic approach that encourages balance in all aspects of life, including sleep, relationships, and even emotions. So, Ayurveda isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, but a personalized path to health. It's about understanding your unique nature and tailoring your lifestyle to it, to create harmony in body, mind, and spirit. In a world dominated by modern medicine, where does Ayurveda fit in? That's a question many of us might be asking. The answer lies in the increasing interest in holistic and preventive health approaches globally. Ayurveda, with its focus on maintaining balance and wellness rather than just treating diseases, fits perfectly into this growing desire for a more comprehensive approach to health. More and more, Ayurveda is being integrated into modern healthcare, thanks to its emphasis on personalization, prevention, and natural remedies. Scientific research now supports many Ayurvedic practices, validating their effectiveness in promoting wellness and managing a range of health conditions. Studies have shown the potential of Ayurvedic herbs in managing chronic conditions, the effectiveness of Ayurvedic dietary practices in maintaining optimal health, and the benefits of Ayurvedic lifestyle routines in enhancing overall wellness. So, even in our modern world, Ayurveda continues to offer a time-tested approach to health and wellness. So, we've journeyed through the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, but what are the key takeaways? Let's recap. We've learned that Ayurveda, a health system with roots in ancient India, emphasizes a personalized approach to wellness. It's not about one-size-fits-all solutions, but about understanding your unique mind-body type and tailoring your lifestyle accordingly. We've also delved into the core principles of Ayurveda, which revolve around the 5 elements and the 3 doshas, or life energies. These principles guide everything from your diet to your daily routine, helping to maintain balance and prevent illness. And we've seen the relevance of Ayurveda in today's fast-paced world. Despite being thousands of years old, Ayurveda's focus on balance, prevention, and holistic health is more pertinent than ever. It's a timeless reminder that health isn't merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Remember, health is a state of balance, and Ayurveda offers a holistic approach to maintaining this balance. So why not explore what Ayurveda can do for you?